This is part 3 of a 5-part series on how to get Chef 360 Platform and Courier deployed to provide orchestration capabilities in the environment. In the previous demonstration, we learned how to register your workstation, install different interpreters and skills, plus the creation of a node cohort. In this demo, we'll enroll our first node and check the enrollment status with all the necessary skills installed. As with other videos in this series, detailed steps, including node and port requirements, can be found on docs.chef.io. Node enrollment brings nodes under management within the Chef 360 platform. Nodes can be enrolled in several ways, from the Chef 360 platform server side, which we'll demonstrate in this video, or from the client side using cookbooks and the Chef infra server. To begin, create a JSON file with the necessary details like the cohort ID, hostname or IP, and credentials. Ensure when enrolling a Linux node it doesn't require a sudo password, as Courier CLI commands are always executed through sudo mode. Next, execute the node management CLI on the JSON file. The output of the command will be a node ID, which will be used in the job template where different actions can be performed. To enroll a Windows node, create a separate JSON file with all the details and execute the same steps to get the node ID. The Node Management CLI status command gives the enrollment status to verify that the state of every step is a success. If not, this will be either in a pending or failed state with a log result of the reason for the failure. The next step is to check if all necessary skills are installed on the node. The command find one node with the node ID gives you this information. Make sure that all the skills are listed under installed skills. It also provides you with information on different versions of the skills installed on the platform. The command find all nodes gives you detailed information about the node such as its operating system, kernel information, health status, primary IP address, etc. In the next video, we'll look at how to execute your first job template with the shell interpreter.